Mimi, I'm a founding member of ODM. Nobody can teach me ODM. Nobody. When it was being formed, I was there. When the party grew, I was there. Umeelewa hiyo? And I am still there. In ODM. And I want to persuade all of you. Because I believe, mimi nilikuwa naibu wa Raila Amolo Odinga for 10 years plus. Mimi, I was the deputy party leader of Raila Amolo Odinga. I believe in that party. I believe in the dream. I believe in the vision. And I believe because I'm a part owner of the party just like you are. Sasa hichi chama nyinyi mule mmekijenga miaka 20, mtakiwacha kweli? Hichi chama mlo kijenga miaka 20 mtakiwacha kweli? Na mimi nataka niwaambie sisi we have our space in there. Nafasi yetu iko. Hapo katika hiyo chama, nafasi yetu nini? Iko. Siku ikija kwamba tumeamua tunataka tuwe sasa the party leaders, we shall do that. And nobody can stop us. The day we want to become party leaders of ODM at the right time, we will do that. But for now, let us come together and support truly the leadership of the party ODM. Tumekubaliana paka hapo?